Tips to improve your Kdenlive workflow. 1. Use proxy clips. Enable them in Settings, configure Kdenlive proxy. Set a low resolution, 360p or 540p. Kdenlive will use lightweight versions of your clips during editing while keeping the originals for export. 2. Enable GPU caching if available. Go to Settings, configure Kdenlive playback. With a modern GPU, timeline playback becomes noticeably smoother. 3. Move the cache to an SSD. Settings, configure Kdenlive folders. Put cache and proxy files on a fast SSD for a big performance boost. Improve your editing workflow. 4. Customize keyboard shortcuts. Settings shortcuts. Some game-changing shortcuts. X equals cut clip. Shift plus R equals ripple delete. J/K/L equals professional style playback speed control. 5. Use smart snapping. Toggle it with S. Prevents micro gaps and ensures precise alignment. 6. Lock tracks. When working on complex edits, locking audio, video tracks avoids accidental shifts. Enhance visual quality. 7. Use the lift gamma gain filter. Much more precise than simple brightness/contrast. Gives you a more cinematic color correction workflow. 8. Stabilize footage with vid.stab. Add the stabilize effect. Recommended settings. Shakiness, 4 to 6. Accuracy, 8 to 10. 9. Apply LUTs for professional looks. Effects color LUT 3D. Great for giving your project a consistent mood. Improve audio quality. 10. Use the compressor. Levels out volume and gives voices a more broadcast-ready sound. 11. Noise reduction. Affects audio noise reduction. Ideal for removing hiss or background noise. Advanced tricks. 12. Use sequences/nested timelines. Create mini timelines for complex scenes. Keeps your main project clean and organized. 13. Enable multi-thread rendering. Settings, configure Kdenlive rendering. Set the number of threads equal to your CPU cores. 14. Aggressive autosave. Set autosave to every 1 to 2 minutes. Kdenlive is stable, but heavy projects can push it.